I kind of decided to try 30 layers just so we can see if it's really that buildable. New mascara from L'Oréal Paris. The last one was amazing. Panorama mascara. I love it. Dramatic, but I love it. And this is, I would say, the complete opposite of Panorama mascara, and it's Paradise Big Deal. Hi everybody, my name is Isa and this is Moody Makeup channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so. It would mean so much. I don't know if you can hear, but I'm talking a little bit strange. If you don't know yet, I had a gum operation, so I have stitches in right now and I'm trying my best. Try to ignore that. I hope it's not annoying too much. Today I'm gonna show you how 30 layers of this mascara look on my eyelashes, and then I'm also gonna show you the normal way of wearing mascara, so 2 to 3 coats. I'm gonna do a test wear, and also I'm gonna show you how easy or not is it to wash it off. Now let's go through some claims. Clump resistant results. So they claim endless buildable volume and length, then clump resistant no matter how much you layer. So we will see about that, about 30 layers. And new self smoothing complex that smooths lashes with each layer for lightweight impact. Cross conic brush evenly coats lashes. Long bristles separate and extend lashes for clump resistant results. Me personally, I prefer volume to the length, but I don't like very clumpy lashes either. So this is the packaging. I don't know, it just looks like the packaging they already have. I'm not sure. And this is the wand. It's like an hourglass wand, but very subtle because you have shorter bristles in the middle and longer at the top and the bottom, but they are even longer at the bottom. So that's that. I kind of decided to try 30 layers. 1, 8, 9, 10. These are 30 layers. I'm impressed. It really didn't clump. If you really like your mascara not to be clumpy, to look really natural, I think this may be it. But now, because nobody has a time for 30 layers, let's just see how it looks with 2 or 3 layers. 2 exciting news. You can now subscribe to my weekly newsletter. You're gonna get a full view of all the videos that I've created throughout the week, and also I'm gonna talk about exciting makeup that is coming or that it was recently launched. The second thing, you can now book a session, one-on-one session with me. It's a makeup workshop where we can go through anything that you have concerns on, or we can go through a day or evening or I don't know, wedding makeup. Everything is going to be down below. Please don't forget to check it out. Just have to move some stuff around. All right, let's see. I don't know why with these wands it seems kind of hard to get all the lashes in at once. So this is the first layer. Very natural. I'm not the biggest fan of really natural mascaras, but I find this type of formula, when it gets a little bit old, it's the best, like after 1 week of using it, because then it's not so watery. I mean, it's not like a really watery formula at all, but it just becomes a little bit more thick and it gets just right, if you know what I mean, and it's still not clumping, but it's not too little of product. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of the wand, but it's not like the worst wand ever. It lengthened my lashes for sure. This is the second coat. Let's just go for the third coat. Okay, so I kind of think that the 30 layers weighted down my eyelashes a bit. I don't know if you can see that, but that was just for fun. This is like a real everyday mascara look. Yeah, I just think that this kind of mascara, you really need to layer it up. It's not like just one coat and you're done. You kind of need to work with it a little bit, and it's nice that it's not drying out too quickly because you have that time to correct some things, and I'm not mad about it at all. It lengthened my lashes, it separated them, which is a good thing, and it's not bad. I mean, I'm a little bit more voluminous type of girl with my eyelashes, but I'm kind of liking this as well. I would also like to mention that the formula feels really light on my eyelashes. So I think that this mascara, it's overall perfect for those no makeup days, or for people who really don't like to have dramatic mascara on, especially if they really hate clumps. They should try this one. I'm not sure if this is tubing mascara or not. I think that it doesn't say anywhere. But for me, the true test with mascara is if it's smudging throughout the day. And the second one, how easy it is to wash it off. So I'm gonna show you how this mascara looks after a full day of wearing it, and also how easy it is to remove it. See how mascara is gonna go off. So I'm testing this Polish brand now that my viewer sent it to me. It's Huggy. Every single evening I double cleanse. So first I use something oily and then I use a micellar water or some other makeup removal that I have on. But my eyelashes look incredible. I really like the look. I absolutely love it, and it didn't smudge on me basically, so I'm really impressed by this formula. So let's see now. This was super easy. This was super easy. I have nothing but good things to say about this mascara. But if you really like those dramatic, very voluminous lashes, then maybe this is not the one for you. It all depends on your preferences, of course. If you enjoyed this review, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. That would mean the world to me. Have a lovely day and see you in my next video.